Hurting someone is as easy as throwing a stone in the ocean, but you will never know how deep that stone will go. Let go of your regrets in life. Make peace with your past. Accept it and move on. People who are not happy with themselves cannot possibly be happy with you. The hardest battle is between what you know in your head and what you feel in your heart. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one of two results: a person for life or a lesson for life. There is a purpose for everyone you meet. Some people come into your life to test you, some to teach you, some to use you, and some to bring out the very best in you. I have seen beauty in people who were called ugly, and I've seen the devil in the most angelic faces. Stay away from fake people. They will hurt you for their own needs. The right people hear you differently. We are dangerous when we are not conscious of our responsibility for how we behave, think, and feel. Self-doubt is the worst enemy of your life. It's like a poison in a pot of milk. It destroys all your future possibilities. Promise yourself to be so strong, nothing can disturb your peace of mind. People treat you exactly how they feel about you. The pain you feel today will be the strength that you feel tomorrow. If you don't challenge yourself, you will never realize what you can become. The best feeling of happiness is when you're happy because you've made someone else happy. People will follow you for two reasons. Either you are successful or you have something that they don't have. Sometimes we avoid someone, not because we don't like them, but because we are afraid of falling even harder. I would rather adjust my life to your absence than adjust my boundaries to accommodate your disrespect. Do not please people to receive love. Just be yourself and see who stays. When trust is broken, sorry means nothing. You know you're special to someone when they mess up their sleep schedule just to talk with you. See you again next video. So, until next time, stay in love, stay in happy.